Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to share with you how to remove Harmonic Balancer aka crankshaft pulley on Honda's ACURA's. Safety first. We're going to use the Impact, and yeah, this is not a paid promotion. I'm just sharing how I did and it really worked it out. Okay, 19mm Harmonic Balancer Socket. I bought this socket online. You can Google, you can find it. And I tried different ways before I ordered this socket. It didn't work, and yeah, this socket arrived in 3 days. And 19mm beefy, heavy, thick socket, and this should do it. I just open it up and see how it will work. And I will put a list of the vehicles. It's Acura, Honda from 90s up to mid 2000 with the same type of harmonic balancer bolt, which you need to remove. There's a part number, Lisle. Yep, go find it online if you need. Okay, there's my Milwaukee 1/2-inch Impact Driver. Okay, charge better, and let's try it. How it will do it. Okay, Milwaukee power against harmonic balancer bolt. Boom, 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 and easy out, and no problems at all. Heavy, but yep, pretty easy if you're using the right tools. And guys, this video is a part of the engine swap on Honda CR-V. This is a 2 liters P20 engine Honda, and we have our pulley removed. Pretty simple. And yeah, if you have any issues, let me know, and you can use other techniques, and we'll do it. And also I will put link down in the description how to do the engine swap. As you can see, this is pretty unique video because not that many of them on YouTube, how to do it step by step. And yeah, this is first gen Honda CR-V. They're epic, made in Japan. It will be very sad for me to see this vehicle get to the graveyard, and we decided to give it a second life and got this vehicle dirt cheap. And yeah, I will put a link down in the description. If you like this video and it helped you, if you want, go and subscribe. If not, yeah, go watch more videos. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Stay safe, and see you soon. Take care. Bye bye.